Okay, so this is just an example of a model we tested in the Lear facility. So what it is it's a hybrid platform is what we term it. So it's a combined floating wind and wave energy device. So the floating wind platform consists of these tubes here, and you can see there the tower and the turbine that would be on top of that there. And the idea is that as part of this structure we would put wave energy devices onto it. So these floats here, what these do is that these move up and down when there are wave conditions, and they can generate power. So this platform, it's a 1:36 scale of a prototype. It can support a wind turbine up here and wave energy devices here which generate power. So you get the added advantage of wave and wind on the one platform. So this is sort of the next stage of development beyond when floating wind becomes a viable technology, is that we'll try and mix platforms together to get more energy out of a particular site.